On the planet today, there are a lot of automobiles that release a lot of CO2, which affects the atmosphere, which affects the ocean, which we all depend upon. We are in trouble if we don't change. And there are huge opportunities, and one of them is for every one of us to put on our automobiles a gas pod.
I'm wanting to do everything I can to reduce my impact. And it's something that is simple as the gas pods that can make this difference.
This is called a gas pod. This Volkswagen, by specification, should be getting about 46 miles per gallon. With this designer here, on this vessel, gas pod takes the airflow and rids itself of all this burble that's behind here and makes it flow smoothly. I get up to 50 miles per gallon. That's my average. Driving down from Seattle to Santa Barbara, I get up to 56 miles per gallon.
This animation shows how installing AeroHance GasPods on a Volkswagen Golf body reduces drag behind the car by 5.2 to 6.7%. Drivers are logging an average extra 3 to 4 miles per gallon, or about a 6% increase in fuel savings. Different vehicles may have varied results, but installing gas pods can make vehicles more aerodynamic, which saves fuel and helps the environment.
Wow, Peggy, this is impressive. You've saved over 100 gallons of gas in your driving and roughly 2,400 pounds of CO2 not going into the atmosphere.
That's right. It's really amazing. Something as simple and easy and economical as gas pods, saving that much.
One car, one person, we can all make a difference, and that's what we're here for.
And now, AeroHance and responsible shoe manufacturers are creating a new line of gas pods that are made from the excess rubber left over from shoe production that's normally discarded into landfills. So gas pod production reduces the amount of materials destined for landfills, which helps reduce greenhouse gases.
Each one of us need to do our part to make a difference and make a change. And this is one way here. This is a beginning.
A gas pod will give you a chance to make more miles per gallon, which means at the end of the day, you are going to save money and help the environment.
If 2% of the world's 2 billion drivers use gas pods to reduce fuel consumption by 5%, that would greatly benefit the environment.